Okay guys, this is the first part of your final project. It's the first piece to learn how to do a pattern repeat. This is how to do it in Photoshop. There is also another tutorial attached to this assignment. Another person did it so perfectly, so I'm not doing it again. I just could not find this particular process online, so I made this for you in case you wanted to do in Photoshop. It's pretty easy to do, but very specific. It's not easy to make a really good pattern repeat though. So take your time, design them, play around with them. There are some criteria for this final project, and I hope you enjoy it.